Claymont floor repair. This is going from the two warehouses. So tore this up and wired it. This is the other side of the warehouse. And these are the areas that we're going to repair.
Charlie in the morning. Charlie, tomorrow morning we're going to talk about losing valuable things.
Oh, I've done it often.
Yes, we're not talking about little things. We're talking about valuable things.
Claymont, Delaware. We took this loading dock shed down. It was in bad shape, plus it was leaking water in the building. Boarded up everything. So we're all set there. Fire marshal wanted us to put a 5x5 deck coming off the back. We removed the deadbolt and put a blank cover on it. We added a new exit sign. Then it's also boarded up on this side of the doorways, and took the exit sign off. On the repairs, here's the new slab that we poured. Here's the other patched in areas.
Yeah, like this one guy just came down here.
And what we tried, this driveway is in such bad shape. We just poured cement out in the bad areas. See how that works versus the cold patch. You can see we hit all these divots.